Join me as I try to boost my iPhone speaker volume to the max for movie night. Let's see if it actually makes a difference. If you're like me and love binge watching your favorite shows or movies on your iPhone, you've probably encountered one major issue: the speaker just isn't loud enough. You find yourself straining to hear every detail, or worse, having to plug in headphones or external speakers, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a portable device. The built-in speakers on our iPhones are great for casual listening, but when it comes to an immersive experience like watching a movie, they often fall short. The volume just doesn't cut it, especially in noisy environments. You end up turning up the volume to max, and still, it feels like it's barely enough. It's frustrating, right? The lack of clarity doesn't help either. Sometimes it feels like the sound is coming from a tiny little box, completely detracting from the experience. Another issue is that iPhone speakers are just not designed to produce the same level of audio quality as external speakers or home theater systems. They're great for quick checks on notifications or casual music listening, but for anything more demanding like movie playback, they struggle. You might have noticed that during action scenes, or when there is a lot of background noise in a movie, it sounds muffled or just not clear. It's like the speakers are trying, but they just can't keep up. So, what can we do about it? There are actually a few methods you can try to boost your iPhone speaker volume and clarity. One simple trick is to use the EQ settings in your music app. By tweaking these settings, you can slightly enhance the audio output. Another option is to use external accessories like speaker docks or Bluetooth speakers, which can significantly improve sound quality. There are also apps designed specifically for audio enhancement that can help. Some might say, just get a new phone, but let's be real. Not everyone can or wants to upgrade every year. Plus, if you're like me and already love your current device, why not try to make it work? Utilizing third-party apps or even just adjusting the settings on your phone can make a huge difference. For instance, you can clean the speakers. It sounds simple, but dust and debris can significantly impact sound quality. Alright, let's put these tips to the test. I've got a few methods lined up, and I'm excited to see if they actually make a difference. First, I'm going to try adjusting the EQ settings. I'm curious to see how it impacts the sound. Next, I'll be using a third-party app designed to boost audio. I'm hoping it'll give me that extra oomph I need for movie night. As I test these methods, I'm actually pretty surprised by the results. Adjusting the EQ settings did help a bit. I noticed the sound felt more balanced, but when I used the third-party app, while the difference was noticeable, the sound was louder, clearer, and honestly, it felt like a whole new experience. I could hear details I hadn't noticed before, and it made watching the movie so much more enjoyable. The most effective technique for me was a combination of cleaning the speakers, adjusting the EQ settings, and using a specific app to enhance the audio. It was like a night and day difference. If you're struggling with your iPhone speaker volume, I highly recommend giving these tips a try. To wrap it up, boosting your iPhone speaker volume isn't rocket science, but it does require a bit of experimentation. By adjusting settings, using the right accessories, or downloading specific apps, you can significantly enhance your movie watching experience. It's amazing how such simple tweaks can transform your iPhone into a more capable entertainment device. If you've got any tips of your own or have tried some of these methods, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and check out my other videos for more tech tips and tricks.